Hi, it's Kevin Lebates here. I was digging into the Black-Scholes equation, which, for those of you who don't know, is an equation in uh, commodities trading that allows you to calculate what the optimal price is given some expectation of future events. Actually, I didn't summarize it very well there, but you can go look it up on Wikipedia. It's a differential equation, so I had to dust off my calculus, which I haven't used in about 20 years, so it took me a while to get my head around the basics of the equation. But it's very, very interesting because it shows that if you have a frictionless market in which everybody is behaving rationally, then you can actually calculate these optimal prices very, very accurately. And it's helped commodities futures pricing very, very well. I think nowadays all the traders have Black-Scholes equation um, uh, engines running in their trading equipment to make sure that they're taking this kind of stuff into account. One of the neat things I was thinking about with regards to blockchain and futures is that blockchain reduces the costs in the system, and there are predictable times that you can ensure if you set up the right blockchain, which means that you actually get a more predictable and reliable system for pricing things. And so price discovery, which suffers occasionally from irrationality or from incomplete information, might actually benefit from a blockchain system for trading because certain parameters are now set down and everybody knows what they are. So it's part of that trust building exercise again. When we talk about blockchain enabling trust, it's not so much enabling trust, it's enabling predictability. We know what the rules are and we know that people have to abide by them, because if they don't, they can't participate in the system. And that's something that makes blockchain unusual compared to other markets. I think there's scope for anybody who's got a good understanding of futures to actually maybe make an impact on the economic world by looking at how futures and blockchain could actually work well together. And I'm talking here about the blockchain actually running the system, not about, for example, the articles you may read about people buying blockchain, or rather Bitcoin futures. That's a different kettle of fish altogether. Anyway, just some thoughts on blockchain and the futures market, and that it's an area that, again, may actually significantly benefit from a blockchain-based trading system. The two areas particularly being the fact that the market may have less friction, and the second thing being that the rules become more predictable and therefore the market can behave in a more rational manner, which I think is something that we all really fundamentally desire from markets. You want to know, you don't want to be in a situation where some people have information that other people don't have, or some people are getting information more quickly than other people. Anyway, maybe you are an expert on this and you can tell me where I'm wrong in this thinking, or maybe you'll confirm that actually it might be a good idea. I look forward to seeing some comments below. Bye for now.